Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use gold bricks in Last War. Gold bricks serve as your most versatile premium currency, allowing you to accelerate progress significantly. You can use them to instantly finish building construction or research, saving you precious time. They are also perfect for buying essential resource bundles, speed-ups, or even special hero fragments directly from the in-game store. Think of them as your express pass to faster growth and stronger defenses. Now, let's talk about strategic spending. It is often wise to prioritize using your gold bricks on critical infrastructure upgrades, like your command center or resource production buildings, to maximize long-term gains. Investing in key research that offers substantial economic or military advantages is also a smart move. Furthermore, always keep an eye out for limited-time events. Saving your gold bricks for these can yield exclusive rewards and incredible value. Don't forget to use them for VIP points to unlock powerful daily bonuses. To truly maximize the value of your gold bricks, careful planning is key. Resist the urge for impulsive purchases. Instead, always look for sales or special promotions in the shop, where you can often get 2 or 3 times the value. Focus your spending on items that directly support your current strategic goals, whether that is troop training, resource gathering, or base defense. It is also a good practice to keep a reserve of several thousand gold bricks for unexpected needs or future high-value opportunities. Finally, let's cover some best practices for your gold bricks. A common mistake is using them to speed up very short timers, perhaps tasks lasting only a few minutes. This is inefficient. Also, try to avoid spending gold bricks on common resources that you can easily gather through normal gameplay. Instead, regularly check the daily deals and special offers for the best value. Prioritize investing in permanent boosts or unlocks, such as new building slots or powerful hero skills, over temporary advantages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.